Good morning, ako po si Manny Villoria ng trulyrichpinoy.com, and we're going to learn how to create subdomains in GoDaddy. So, when you visit, when you log into GoDaddy, click on your My Account and then click on Manage My Domains. After a few seconds, depending on your internet connection, lalabas na po yung My Domains page. Click nyo po yung domain name. And then scroll down. Dito po sa subdomains, click manage. Tapos add a subdomain. So for example, you have your first customer. Palagay po natin na ang kanyang username is first customer. Tapos yung link na pupuntahan ay ignitionmarketing.ph.com/opportunity/ID equals first customer. Kung yung first customer ay yung kanyang Ignition Marketing username. Tapos dito, forward settings, piliin mo ang forward with masking. Kasi kapag forward lang yan, ibaban pa rin yan ni Facebook. Tapos title, ito yung, kung naman title gusto nyo, pwede yung name ng first customer. Description, kaya po kung ano po yung gusto yung description, pwedeng tips on how to make money. Keywords, pwedeng make money. Then click add. Kapag click mo yung add, after about, para say 3 days, magiging live na itong first customer dot kung ano man yung domain name ninyo. And that's it. Hanggang sa susunod, ako po si Manny Villoria ng trulyrichpinoy.com. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.